Here you will be able to see the average views per videos. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can grow your small YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, just copying what other small YouTubers are doing. And also, if you have already surpassed the 1,000 subscribers, you can still watch this video because I'm going to share with you a Chrome extension that will help you identify YouTubers or YouTube channels that are in your niche, so that you can copy what they are doing. Especially, it will show you videos that are going viral, and on YouTube you just need to copy what other people are doing, but don't copy the script. Just watch their videos, see how they make it, and then the next thing is to copy their title and also the description and make some small changes. So let me share my screen, then I'll share with you the Chrome extension that I'm using for me to get videos that are going viral in my niche. So make sure you like and also consider subscribing so that you can be able to have access to this Chrome extension. Now let's get started. This is the extension I was talking about. It is Nexlev, and you can check out the link in the description for you to have access to this Chrome extension. So the first thing you will do is to sign up for free. For you to get started with this Chrome extension, you need to sign up for free. So I've already signed up, so it just takes me to the dashboard. The first step after logging into your Nexlev account, go to the left menu and see Chrome extension. Click on that. Then scroll down and you can see some of the features of this Chrome extension. They also offer a 14-day free trial, and we're gonna register for that. So here you can see you can download the extension from Chrome Web Store. So you will click on this, then it will bring you to this section where it says Nexlev YouTube Research and Analytics. Then click Add to Chrome. Then add extension. Now we have already downloaded the Chrome extension. The next step is to put it at the top bar here. So you will click on this icon here on the right. Click on that and then pin the Nexlev YouTube Research and Analytics. Then now you can go to your YouTube channel. But before that, after pinning the Nexlev extension, you can come back for a free trial. So you'll come back to the dashboard, then click on Upgrade. Then you can scroll down here and then click on Start 14-day free trial. So they won't charge you for the 14 days, but after 14 days, they will charge you. After clicking, it will bring you to this place where you will enter your promotion code. So you will enter promotion code SU for it to give you a discount. And then click Apply, and you can see it will give you a discount of 20%. Then enter your bank details, so it will not charge you for the 14 days. So make sure that you cancel it within the 14 days if you don't want to use or you don't want to have any charges into your bank account. So you'll enter your card details, then it will give you access to the premium service where you can try and see how you can utilize it to get access to videos that aligns or are in the niche of your channel. So as you can see, after your trial ends, you will be charged 10.4 euros. Now let's go into our YouTube channel, then I'll show you how this Chrome extension works. After going to your YouTube channel, just click on the Chrome extension, that is Nexlev, and then sign in using your Google. So let me sign in. So after you have clicked on the extension and you have signed in using your Google account, you will come back to YouTube and you will see here on the left sidebar, you will see the Nexlev filter. But before we go to that, you click on your home or your icon here and then click on view channel. After coming to your YouTube channel, viewing your YouTube channel, it will show that it is not monetized. As you can see, I'm not monetized because I have not hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers. And I will be using this Nexlev extension to find channels within my niche so that I can copy them and start creating videos. So when you come to view your channel, you will be able to see here, you can see similar channels. Click on similar channels. Then it will bring you here and you can do quick search or in-depth search. Click on in-depth search and then choose videos or short. So I'm doing long form, so I'll choose videos and then click on search. So as you can see, we have other YouTube channels that are similar to the content I'm creating. So here you will be able to see the average views per videos and also the days since that channel was started. So you can see, you will be able to go to these channels here. You can see this was started 389 days ago, almost a year, and you can see the subscriber and the similarity score. So if you want to use this Chrome extension, make sure that you have some videos in your channel so that it can help analyze your channel and see channels that are similar to yours, and you can go to those channels and copy the video ideas in that channel, because if they are going viral in that channel, then your channel is likely to also grow, or your videos are likely to go viral. So that is one of the thing you can do, because searching for such channels is not easy if you are doing it manually. So with this extension, you'll be able to get channels that are similar to yours in terms of the videos they are making. So it will also show the similarity score, all that here. So you can click on one of the channels, then on that channel, come to videos and then click on popular. So click on popular videos and you can see some of the videos that are going viral in this channel. Then you will take or copy the idea and create videos like that. Also, I'm gonna show you how you can use this filter icon also to get videos that you are interested in. So for example, you can do a YouTube search, for example, like how to start forex trading for beginners. So you will wait for it to be searched and then go to this icon here or the filter. Then you can say how many subscribers. You can say subscriber count to be around 5,000 and below. So you'll just change the subscriber count here, or you can enter it here. For example, we can put 5,000 subscribers. So 5,000. Then view count, let's say something like 10 or less than 100,000. Let's even put that. Then you can also select the upload date. So for example, last month or 3 months. Then click on go. And you can always reset it. So you can see you can always change subscribers count and then click on go, and it will give you a list of videos that have been filtered. This is not possible if you are just using the normal search bar on YouTube. So this Chrome browser is gonna help you in finding video ideas that are going viral, and you can just copy the concept in that video, see what the YouTuber did, and then replicate it and share your own original content. So YouTube doesn't allow you copying another person's script, but having the idea is what is needed in YouTube for you to go viral. So in case you have learned something new from this channel, consider subscribing so that we can be able to reach out to other small YouTubers who are interested in using this Chrome extension. So to get access to this, you can check out the link in the description. Register with your Google account, then go to the dashboard and click on extension in the left sidebar. Download the extension and then sign in. Use the coupon code I've left in description for you to access it for 20% off. And remember that you have 14-day free trial. So if this Chrome extension helps you, then you can share it to your friends too, so that they can grow their YouTube channel. So that's it for today. Like and subscribe, and let me see you in the next video.